Intermittent fasting offers a range of potential health benefits, making it an attractive dietary strategy for many individuals. Here are some key advantages of intermittent fasting. 1. Weight management. Intermittent fasting can lead to a reduction in calorie intake, which may contribute to weight loss. It also promotes a process called autophagy, where the body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates new ones, potentially aiding in weight management. 2. Improved metabolic health. Studies suggest that intermittent fasting can enhance insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with insulin resistance, metabolic syndrome, or type 2 diabetes. 3. Enhanced cellular repair. Fasting triggers autophagy, a process that allows cells to repair and remove damaged components. This can have positive effects on cellular health and may reduce the risk of various diseases. 4. Heart health. Intermittent fasting may lead to improvements in heart health by reducing risk factors such as blood pressure, cholesterol levels, inflammation, and oxidative stress. 5. Brain health. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting may support brain function, improve cognitive performance, and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. It stimulates the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein associated with cognitive function. 6. Longevity. While more research is needed, animal studies have shown that intermittent fasting may increase lifespan and delay the onset of age-related diseases. It's believed to influence factors associated with longevity, including cellular repair and stress resistance. While intermittent fasting shows promise for many, it's important to approach it with consideration for individual needs and in consultation with a healthcare provider, especially for those with specific medical conditions or unique dietary requirements.